In this video, I'll show you how to restore deleted items in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where the item was originally deleted. If you're not already inside the correct board, use the left sidebar to locate and open it first. Once the board loads, go to the top right corner of the screen. Look for the three-dot menu icon beside the board controls and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several board options. From this menu, look for an option called Recycle Bin, trash, or deleted items. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your version of Monday.com, but in my case, it is View Archive or Trash. Just hover over it and click Trash from the options. A panel or separate window will now open showing recently deleted items connected to this board. Take a moment to scroll through the list carefully. You may see deleted tasks, groups, updates, or other board items depending on what was removed. Locate the item you want to restore. Once you find it, select the item. You should see a Restore button appear below. Click Restore. The item will immediately be returned to the board. In most cases, it will reappear in its original position or very close to where it was before deletion. Now go back to your board and confirm that the restored item appears correctly. If the item does not appear, refresh the page and check again. Keep in mind that deleted items are not always stored forever. Depending on your account settings or how long ago the item was deleted, it may have already been permanently removed from the system. If you still can't find the item, check whether it may have been deleted from a different board instead. Restoring deleted items is especially helpful when tasks or important data are removed accidentally during project management. And that's how to restore deleted items in Monday.com.